Now, Storm Team 105 brings you the latest forecast for the Wabash Valley. Fast, accurate, and always up to date. This is your Storm Team 105 forecast.
Alright, good evening. It is currently 9:26 p.m. Eastern Time at the making of this forecast video. Here's a look at our storm tracker. Not showing much in the valley, so yeah, there's nothing on radar right now, and that's how it's gonna be for a couple more days, and then we could see chances of rain and some storms through the weekend to Tuesday. So, let me get the temperatures for you. So, these are the current temps. Right now, these are the current temperatures. It is 74 at Hoopeston, 75 at Danville, 77 at Tuscola, 75 at Charleston, Casey, Flora, and Newton. It is 76 at Effingham, Olney, and Robinson. It is 75 at Vincennes, and it's 74 at Bedford, 74 at Lytton, Terre Haute, and it's 72 at Bloomington. Now the chances of rain, the chances of rain through there's a chance of rain through the weekend. So let me pull that up for you. Let me pull that up for you. Sorry about that. But anyways, here's the future cast from the NAM model, which goes from today till Sunday. So, this is Thursday, Friday. Now, if I go back a bit, we don't, we could see some rain through the 8 a.m. morning hours up to 11. Now, this is at 7 a.m. Central Time, Illinois time. So we could see some rain in Illinois from 7 a.m. to possibly 10 a.m. on in the Friday morning hours. Just some little bits of rain, and then some now more rain through the the afternoon hours. This is 5 p.m. Eastern time for you can see for Fountain County, Vermilion County, Park County, and this is 4 p.m. for Illinois. You can see that rain in Vermilion, Edgar, Douglas, Coles, Cumberland, Clark, and Effingham County. Whoops. Oops, I don't know what I did there. And then some more rain, and then it goes away by 2 a.m. on Saturday. Then at 5 a.m., more rain starts to come up to the north here, as you can see. Then going through the day Saturday, you can see more heavier rain through the 11 p.m. hour on Saturday, right here. And then let me go back to the and then it just continues rain for at the 2 a.m. hour on Sunday. Now, if I show you the other model we have, hold up. Alright, here's our other models. This is the GFS model, which goes more out. So yeah, just, more rain chances. This is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and so on. So now, so here is your, sorry about that. Anyways, here's your 7-day forecast.